Hey there, welcome to our third video of this Postman automation tutorial series. So from this video we will start creating our automation scripts, and in this particular video we will try to look into the status codes. So let's jump into the Postman. So I have this login API in here. So this API takes the email and password, and once I call it, it just validates this information with our database and gets the information of that user and returns it. So let's call it. So it's returning the informations about the user and also some other values. So in this video our main concern is this status code. So we are going to verify if the API is returning the proper status code using our automation script. So to write automation script in Postman, we have to go to this tests tab. So in here we have this input box. So we are going to write our scripts here. So if you don't know how to code, or you are scared of coding or complex logics, you don't have to worry about anything here. We have all the snippets ready here. So we are going to verify status codes, right? So that means we have a snippet here. We have all the snippets ready in this right corner of Postman. So you don't have to memorize anything at all. You have all the snippets ready. So no need to memorize anything. Just search for it. So we are going to verify the status code. So let's find it here. So status code 200. Okay. So I've just selected it, and as you can see, the code is already added here. So this code is actually verifying if the API is returning status code 200 or not. Okay, but in our API, our expectation is it should return 201. So let's change 200 to 201. Okay, so now if I call this API, you'll notice that under this test results it says the status code is 201. So that means the test result is passed. Okay, so let's say our API was supposed to send 200 in successful response. So in that case, our expectation was 200, so we would have written 200, and as right now it's sending 201, so that means it's wrong. Okay, so in that particular scenario, if we run it, our result said, okay, our expectation was 200, but we got 201. So that's why it's failed. So let's try another example. Let's say if we don't pass this password here. So in that case, definitely our API should return a failure response. So let's see what it returns. It returns 400. So that means if we try to automate this one, in that case, if we don't pass the password, our expectation is 400. So right now, as we have written 200, so let's change it to 400 and run once again. So you can see the result is passed, as our expectation was 400 and we are getting 400 as well. So that means our result is our test result is passed. So this is how we can easily automate and check if whether the API is returning correct status code or not. So that's it for this video. So see you in the next one. Thank you.